Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will start verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Part 1 is verbal reasoning, means we will know verbal reasoning, general mental ability, series completion lesson. Okay, first we will be knowing about series completion lesson. Okay, now in this, what is the series completion means? We will be given series of numbers or alphabets or anything, we can be given or anything, and we will be asked sometimes that series completion in the recurring objects. Okay, recurring means which will be recurred always. Okay, in a series, in this type we will be asked. Okay, so now we will learn first in that type 1, in the series we will learn the series of numbers. In type 1 again we have two cases, case 1 and 2. First case, complete the given series. Here series not seria, here it's not 6, here there is no 6. Okay, now by finding the missing terms, first case. Now example 1, in this chapter we will be seeing only examples of case 1. First 1, 6, 15, question mark, that is we should find it 45, 66, 91. These are the options, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, now first we will know the how to complete the series. Now if you see here, 6 minus 1 you have 5, 15 minus 6 you have 9. Here we don't know, here and here we should find 66 minus 45. Here 66 minus 45 it's 21. 91 minus 66 it's 25. Here all we are adding 5, 9. Here we don't know this 2. Here plus 21. Here we are adding plus 25, not 21, 25. Okay, means if you see here 5, the differences, if you see the differences, means which number we are adding. You see here we are adding 4, the difference is 4 always, means here 9 plus 4, here we get 9 plus 4 it's 11, means 15 plus 11 is 26. 15 plus 11 is 26. So here we will get 26, option 26, option B. Okay, now second question, example 2, 2, 5, 9, 19, 37 and missing term. This question is given in the CPO exam 2003. Now 73, 75, 76, 78 are options. Okay, now we will know how to complete this series. Now if you see here, see 2, when you see here the difference is not possible, because 5 minus 2 it's 3, 9 minus 4, 5 is 4, 19 minus 9, 10, means there is nothing which we can complete the series, means there is no common aspect. Now we will see the differences is not possible here, so we will be stepped once, we will be start multiplying. Now if you see here, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 it's 5. 5 into 2 into 2, 5 into 2 minus 1 it's 9, means here we are following into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. 9 into 2 plus 1 19. 19 into 2 minus 1 37, means we should here 37 into 2. 37 into 2 plus 1 will be answer. 37 into 2 means 37 to the 74 plus 1, that's 75. So option B is the right answer. Okay, option B. Sorry for the mistake. So option B, 75 is the correct option. Now here example 3 is 4, 8, 28, 4, 8, 28, 80, 244, and we should find the last one. This question is given in BTM. Okay, BTM 2006 exam. Now here we have stepped into multiplication. Here we have stepped into multiplication. Now here the multiplication division is not possible at all. Okay, is not possible. So we will step into the squares and cubes now. Now see, squares also not possible here, but cubes will be. Now here the powers, we will step into powers. Now if you see, first one, 4 is 3 power 1 plus 1. 3 power 1 is 3 plus 1 4. Now 8 is 3 square minus 1. That's 9 minus 1. Here 28 is 3 cube plus 1. Means 3 to the power of consecutive number plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now this will be 3 cube, 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. This will be 3 to the power of 5 plus 1. So here the missing term will be 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6 minus 1. Now 3 to the power of 6 is 729. Minus 1 is 728. Okay, is 728. So option D is the right answer. Okay, now we will be stepping into next question. Okay, now if you see here see, we have learnt about first addition, subtraction. Addition or subtraction can become in one series, because addition for first term, subtraction will be for second term. Now here we have learnt about the multiplication. Now we have learnt about the powers also. Now we will step into another thing, that is percentages. Okay, percentages we will learn. Now here we will step into percentages. Now here 11,000 is 10%, 10 by 100 of 10,000 plus 10% of 10,000 plus 10,000. Means here the next every number is the 10% of that number plus that number will be the next number. Okay, in that way we should solve. Means here if you see here 9, here the question mark will be, see here 10,000 plus 10% of 10,000 will be 11,000. Now 11,000 plus 10% of 11,000, 10% of, see 11,000 minus 10% of 11,000 will be 9,900. Means plus that number, plus 10% minus 10%, plus 10% minus 10%. Means here it will be plus, here it will be minus, here it will be plus, here it will be minus. Now here it will be plus. Means the answer will be 9,801 plus 10% of 9%, 10% of 9,801. See 10% we can't find for 9,801, so we will be taking 9,800. Okay, if you take in that way, we will get 10781, option C. Okay, we will get option C. Now option C is the right answer. Now example 5, 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. This is the pattern of, this is the series given. Now you should find the next number. Now if you see here, the pattern will be in the form of cubes. Okay, cubes minus. Now see, 0 will be 1 cube. 1 cube minus 1. Sorry. 1 cube minus 1. 6 will be 2 cube minus 2. 24 will be 3 cube minus 3. 60 will be 4 cube minus 4. 120 will be 5 cube minus 5. 210 will be 6 cube minus 6. So the question mark here represents 7 cube minus 7. Okay, 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube minus 7. is 7 cube is 343 minus 1 is 342. It's 343 minus 7, not 1. 343 minus 7, it's 336. Okay, 336. Okay, this is the 5 problems we have seen. Now we will be looking at another 5 examples. Now, example 6. 1, 4, 27, 16, etc, etc, etc. Now this is very easy. Okay, why we will be knowing? See here another thing is 2 series. See, we have again I will be recalling afterwards all the things we have learned. Okay, now here we are using 2 series. 2 series are given here. What are the series here? First, sorry, this is not of 2 series. Sorry, this is of not 2 series. It's not of 2 series. By mistake I have told. Now 1, 4, 27, 16, 36, 3, 43. Now if you see here, this is very easy. Now see, first is 1 cube, 4 is 2 square, 27 is 3 cube. Means for the odd number, it's odd number cube. That's for every odd number. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be continued. And here for every odd number it's cube, and for every even number it's square. Means here, see, 1, 4, 27, 16. Now 16 is 4 square, and here the question mark will represent the 5 cube. Now 5 cube is 125. Option D. This is very easy. This is of D option. Now next, this is of 2 series. Okay, 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. Now see here, we consists of 2 series. Now 2 series always will be alternative. It can be alternative, or here it may be between 2 numbers. Means between 2 numbers in every series will be, it may be 2 numbers, it may be 3 numbers, it may be 4 numbers, it may be long ago. But there sometimes will exist 2 series. Okay, now here this is of 2 series. 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30 and question mark. Now the first here, the first series 4, 12, 28 and this one 6, 14 and 30. That's it. Now see here, for 4, 12, 28 and for 6, 14, 30 we have plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. Again here plus 8 plus 16, and this will continue. Now see here, the differences here are the number which we are adding, it's doubling always. Here 28 plus 32, 28 plus 32 will be 60. Means option B. Okay, option B. Now we will look at another one. Okay, this question is given in BTM 2005. Now find the missing term in this series. 3, 20, 63, 144, 275 and question mark. That we should find the that question mark. Okay, now we will be looking at this. See, the space is not enough for here. Now we will be looking at this at another side. Now the here 3, 20, 63, 144, 275. Now see here, this is of many series. Now the series, see the differences here will be, again they will be forming series. Now between here 3 and 20 we have 17, here 43, here 81, here 131 and question mark. Here again we have 26, between 17 and 43. 43 minus 17 is 26 here. 81 minus 43 is 38 and 131 minus 81 is 50 and question mark minus 121 is question mark again. Now 38 minus 26 again 12. 50 minus 38 again 12. See here coincidence is 12 and 12. Means this is the last series of the major series. Means here also the difference will be 12. Means here this question mark. We will represent this first question mark, second question mark, third question mark. Now first question mark relates that 50 plus 12 62. Second question mark represents 131 plus 62 193. Again third, that is major one which we want, will represent 275 plus 193, that is 468. Okay, 468 is the answer here. Answer B. Okay, so this is the process. Now we will be discussing how this process we will learn in the last page. Okay, see now this example 8 is we call triangular pattern series. We call it as triangular pattern series. Means differences of major series again will be forming series up to the differences up to the series where the all differences are same. Now again we will know another one, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, example 9. Now this example is nearly of this type. Okay, now first, how many terms are there in the series 201, 208, 215, so on to 369? See here we are not finding the missing term here. Very important, we are not finding the missing term, we are finding how many number of terms. Number of terms should be found here. 201, 208, 250, 360. Now here we see the progression is the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, okay, A plus 3D, so on to at last. Okay, now here A is the first number of the series. Here the first number is 201 and here D is the second series, the second number in the series minus first number in the series, means 208 minus 201, that's of 7. Here A is 201, D is 208. Okay, now see we should write 369 in the form of A plus ND. Now here we should find the N. N represents number of terms. Now N will be the here terms. Now 369 in the form of A plus ND. Now see A is 201, D is 7. Okay, 369 is equals to 201 plus 7n. See here D is 7. Now 369 I am doing here. 369 minus, see we got here 369 is equals to 201 plus 7n. We will bring this 201 to left hand sides. 369 minus 201 is equals to 7n. See here 369 minus 201, 168 by 7, because into 7 we will be turning into left hand side, then 168 by 7 will be n, means the answer will be 168 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 2 will be remaining here 28 and 7 4s are 28. So number of terms here is 24. Number of terms here is 24, option B. Now we will be looking at another type of question. Okay, this is of the type geometric progression, GP. Okay, in the less form GP we will be calling. Now GP consists of, here this arithmetic progression consists of multiplication and addition. But here in this example 10, that is of GP, geometric progression, we will consist of multiplication and powers. Okay, powers and multiplication. Now first see, this will be in the form of AR square, AR cube. See, AR square, AR cube, etc., etc., etc. Now A is the first term. Here in this series it's 7. R is the main here. Now R is the division of the second term by first term. Now see here, the division is 14 by 7. It's 2. Means here R is 2. R is 2 here. Now we should find the 10th term here. Now we should find the 10th term here. See here, we are taking AR. So we will be taking, here the answer will be, see here, A is 7, R is 2. Now 10th term will be AR of 10 minus 1. Because R to the power of 1 also there, that's why we will take 10 minus 1. AR to the power of 10 minus 1 is the answer here. Now A is 7 into R of 10 minus 1, 2 power 9. Now 7 into 2 power 9 is 7 into 512. 512, here answer will be 3584. This is the answer. Now let's recapitulate what we have learned, about which types we have learned, about in this chapter. Okay, first let's learn what we have learned. See here, completing this is of type addition and subtraction. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication plus addition, multiplication plus subtraction, multiplication plus additions and subtraction. These three again can be given in another series. Then we have division. Division and multiplication will be together. Now next we have powers. In the powers we can get squares sometimes cubes, and sometimes all powers. All powers will be given, and sometimes it will be linked to addition or multiplication. Okay, then we have, then after the powers, sometimes, see, very important is, sometimes we will be getting the 2 series we will be getting. Sometimes we will be getting fractions. In fractions again we will be getting power, sometimes addition, sometimes multiplication, and there will be different series, numerators adding, denominators adding, like this will be. And we have another type is that the triangular pattern series, that we have learned, that is the differences of differences will be continuous, differences of the series. Okay, and we have learned about the arithmetic progression. See, for arithmetic progression I will be telling simple one, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here A is the first term and D is the difference between the second term and first term. Now geometric progressions also we have learned. Okay, geometric progression is AR square, AR cube, okay, etc., etc., etc. Now AR, here A is the first term, R is the division, the quotient of second term and first term. When we divide them, the quotient will be the R, and then after AR square, AR cube, etc., etc. See, suppose if you want to find the 11th term of a series, then you should write A into R power 11 minus 1. because we are including r to the power of 1 also. That is why we should write 11 minus 1. Okay, these all are things we have learnt about number series. Now I am ready with nearly 80 questions, from these topics, from these 10 examples, 10 topics. Really, it's of 10 topics nearly. We will be learning these all topics in question wise in 80 questions, nearly 80 questions. Now, these questions we will learn for 20 to 30 per day, 20 to 30 or 25 per day, 25 questions per day. And then we will be going to case 2, then after part 2 of this lesson, and we will be continuously learning about verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you a lot, and don't miss to subscribe our channel. Thank you.